going to get the garbage pail. Okay, it's more than ankle deep. And this isn't hurricane, this is, we just had rain. We've had rain for about a week now. Okay, it's getting up to mid-calf or more than that. I may have to get a bathing suit or take my dang wallet. That's my trailer over there, I don't know if you can see it. I don't mean to make any Houston comparisons, but just, I don't know how much rain we have, but with standing water, and it's nasty. So, the folks in Houston, I'm learning a slight bit of what they've done through. Now I'm lucky, the water isn't so deep I can't get out with my truck, but that's over there. I'll do it this way so you can see both ways. Hurricane debris. They came by. The whole front from this on was about that high, full of stuff. Now, I believe that's my garbage pail over there. I'm gonna try and get that also. I drove my daughter to the bus stop today and my wife to work. My wife was going to take my truck, but asked me to drive her instead because she's a little nervous. There's more water here than there was last night. There's a hurricane, or it's a tropical storm may form a hurricane, and they say it's only going to be a Cat 1. Water's getting a little deeper here. I'm not worried about the hurricane, I'm worried about rain coming from it, because usually rain bands will go hundreds of miles out. I'm on the east coast of Florida. The hurricane isn't even supposed to hit the west coast of Florida. It's supposed to maybe go up into the Panhandle or Louisiana, that area. As far as gardening goes, it's been a rough year gardening because I've been traveling on business, and stuff I would have normally watered on a regular basis, I didn't. And you know what? I'm gonna take my wallet out. There's not money on it, unfortunately. There's just like ID and cards. So I'm wondering, alright, there's electric on that pole. There's electric over there also. There's a sensor on that, but the sensor doesn't work, so it's just on all the time. It's an LED light, so even if it's on 24/7, 365, it uses a few cents worth of electric a year. Yeah, there's this white stuff is like some oily film. And I guess that's the problem when you have flooding, is stuff floats. I've never had this working, but there's an electrical mechanism for the fence, yeah, and there is. So if you make a wave when you come by, there's an electrical outlet down there. It's a GFCI, or whatever it is, like ground fault protection. So here's the problem, is as you come out here, There's drainage ditches on the side of the road that go down 3 to 4 feet. So you really need to know where the road is. Alright, I'm a little bit above ankle deep here, which is pretty decent. Yeah, I believe that is my garbage pail. Oh, last night at night, the frogs were so loud, I thought a TV was on. I thought there was something going on. Whenever it rains at night, the frogs are crazy loud. So, I'm pretty new at 360 video. All of my other videos I've edited with iMovie. So I don't know that I'm going to be editing this. Because I did bookmark some tools. It looks like it's getting shallower here. I did bookmark some tools for 360 video editing. Although I haven't installed and tried to use any of that. I think this is like a drainage ditch going that way. And you can see my neighbor's yard over there, they're pretty much all full. So I don't know. I just don't want to fall in a ditch here. It's getting slightly deeper. Yeah, and all of a sudden it gets pretty deep. So, unfortunately, I'm dang close to the garbage pail here. Yeah, I don't know. Alright, so there's a gap. It looks like there's a gap in the fence here. And there may, I'm just going to guess on center here that I may be able to walk over. Yeah, it drops off. Yeah, I'm not doing that. I'll spare you the walk back, but... And in case anybody's asking, no, I haven't seen any fish. I'll annotate the video if I do see any fish.